Welcome everyone, my name is Usman Kabo. On this video I'm going to show you how to design a logo in less than 6 minutes. So let's start. Click on. So the first thing you need to do is going to insert is a shape, a circle shape. Click on shape here, click on this drop down and click on the circle, and let's reduce the opacity of the circle and add what? The width. From there click OK. So now the next thing we need to change, we are going to change the color of the stroke. Let's give it this color here. From there we are going to add the size, but on this logo we are going to need 2 circles. So instead of inserting another circle, let's just copy this one and reduce the size. So we are going to copy this. We are going to copy this circle here and click on copy and reduce the size. We are going to reduce the size. Let's reduce the size again. So now let's type Creativity Academy. Type Creativity Academy, double click. Let's type Creativity Academy. Click on this double T here so that we can capitalize all the letters there and bold it. Click on this A. Let's try to bold. From there I click on style and change the style of this item. I'm going to use this one. From there let's add the size again. I'm going to add the size. Let's increase the size. Okay. We are going to use the curve so that it can fit in the circle here. We use the curve. I'm going to use this curve here. Use the curve so that it can fit in. See? So let's type again another one here. Computer class. Computer class. Computer class. Capitalize. Okay. Bring it down here. Bold. We are going to bold it. Click on bold. From there again, change the style. Let's use this one. Let's add the size again. Increase the size. Let's use the size and use the curve. Use curve. Curve it. I'm going to use the curve. Now we are going to insert stars. We need 2 stars, one here and one here. One for the left, one for the right. So we are going to insert a shape. Click shape. From there, this drop down. Click for this out for the star. Okay. Let's reduce the size of this star. Place it in here. So instead of inserting another star, let's just copy this one and place it on the other side. Let's just copy and place it here. But the next thing we need to do, let's change the color of the stars. We need to change the color of the stars. Change the color. Let's give it a gradient color. This one. So that's star again. Give it again another color. Same gradient again. So now I've changed the stars. Also again, computer class. Let's change the color of that text. Let's give it another color. We're going to change the color of the text. Computer class. Let's give it a solid color. I'm going to give it, okay, think this one. Let's give it this one. Now from there we are going to insert a picture. We're going to insert a picture. Since this is a computer class, we are going to insert someone sitting in a computer, sitting near a computer. So we're going to insert picture from gallery, but make sure the picture you are going to insert, you have to remove the background of that picture. Make sure you remove the background of the picture before inserting it. As for me, I've already removed the background of the picture I'm going to insert. I'm going to insert this picture here. I've already removed the background. Okay, let me reduce the size. I'm going to reduce the size. So now I have inserted my picture. So the next thing I am going to do here is I want to change the background, the color. I want another color, a unique color for my background. So let me give it a white color. So I'm going to give it a white color here. So now I have designed my logo. So now what if I want to merge all these works, but it can be as a whole, because in this case here, this is one, the star again, they are all in separate order. So let me just click on this one and click down here and select each and every thing there. From there I'm going to click on this one again and press OK. From there, click here again. So now I have merged it. It has become as a whole. It has become as a whole. So now it has become one. So now I have designed my logo. I want to save it. I can save it as image, that is JPEG, or also save it as a PNG. Just click on this one here, leave, save. But first of all, save it as a project. I'm going to save it as a project, CRT. Okay. Now I'm going to save it again as an image. Now click on JPEG. Or if I want to save it as a PNG, I can simply click on PNG. Or I save it as what? JPEG. So in this case, I'm going to save it as a JPEG. Whenever I want to save a picture, save it as JPEG. All pictures are saved as JPEG. Save to gallery. So now I have saved my work. I have saved it. So I can simply go to my gallery now and view my work. So thank you all for listening. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.